And I think this is a question that resonates with all of us artists. How do you stay confident with your paintings? Do you ever lack self-confidence?
Well, I can tell you one thing. I avoid, self-scrolling. I avoid comparing, numbers, how many likes I have to other artists, how many likes they have, where they're having great success, because that can just sort of deflate anybody when you compare yourself to others. So avoid comparing your work to others' work, because your work is supposed to be different. You're supposed to be on your own track. And, all of you that are listening, I mean, you're wired up for this. God gave you this amazing gift to be an artist. And I think that's what you just have to remind yourself every day. And to be brave and to put your work out there, and just to remember, not everybody's going to like it. You could be brilliant and not everybody's going to like it. And
Don't take it personally.